Hey internet, welcome to the tutorial. Open up a drinking can. This doesn't work on food can. Only for drinking cans. First thing, popper. Second thing, get your foam off. Third thing, turn your tab to point at this little notch here. Push your tab in with your thumb. Watch your tear go along the outside of your thumb. Once you get up to this ridge, you're going to want to pull up and out of the can. Once you're out of the can, you stick your index finger in and start pulling the metal towards you. Once you get to this small part here, it's going to want to rip off on you. You're going to want to grip it with your thumb underneath just like this. All right, be careful not to cut yourself. Now, we just gently tear, pulling and tearing, 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 pulling and tearing to the tip. And that is how you open a drinking can. Now it's like a cup, less like a can. That's good.